So I have a question for you starting out this video. Do you think more about other people and what they're doing and how to help them? Or do you think more about yourself and reflect on yourself and take control of your own life? This is something that I have been kind of going through myself. I've noticed one of my patterns in life is to take care of other people before I can take care of myself. In fact, I have this core belief that I'm healing, that I can't take care of myself. I've had this belief. I don't know where I got it from. I've believed it for, I know, at least 15 years. I've had this belief that I can't take care of myself. But yet, I have an excellent time taking care of everyone else. I can take care of everyone else really well. So the question is, why can I take care of everyone else, but I can't take care of myself? I've noticed this pattern in the past 2 relationships I've been in. I've had to take care of them. They start off great. The relationship starts off great. A couple years, doing good. And then they get sick. My husband, my first husband, I've only been married once, but my ex-husband, he got kidney failure. I spent probably a good 8 years taking care of him. I couldn't take care of myself because I had all my time taking care of him, taking him to doctors, being there. Now, I did get into the healing, like the juicing and stuff that I'm into now because of that. So it wasn't all bad because it showed me a path of healing. And back then I was actually pretty sick too. A lot of health conditions, and I think through trying to heal him, I actually healed myself. But then after a while, after I never left him that whole time by his side, and then a couple years after he was well, I ended up leaving and getting into a new relationship. That relationship, it was great for a while and everything. And then the same patterns showed up. I don't want to go into my personal life, but it's interesting because the same patterns showed up. And guess who's taking care of all the problems around me now? Me. And they're not even my problems. I am getting in between 2 energies, in fact. The past and the future, the now. And I'm the one that has to take care of everybody. Well, that's interesting because I thought that I couldn't take care of myself, but I'm taking care of everything else. So the question is for you, who are you taking care of? Are you taking care of more of the people around you? Or are you taking care of yourself and your own heart? Are you following your own path? I think that maybe we're taught to take care of everybody else because it's like, oh, if you don't care about everybody else, you don't care about the people around you, you're not a loving person. You should be loving towards everybody. We're so focused on everything around us and trying to have control that we're forgetting about ourselves and what comes first. Oh, and we're told, are we told that we shouldn't put ourselves first? Oh, that's selfish. That's selfish to put yourself first. We don't put ourselves first and then we lose ourselves. We lose ourselves. We don't know who we are. We don't know what we like. We get in these relationships and we just do what they want to do. I mean, we like it. They have fun. We have fun. But then there's a point where we become empty because we're not following our own path. We're not doing what our soul has come to do. We lose a part of ourselves. We forget who we are. If you're that person, it's time to start reflecting. It's time to sit in quiet and listen to yourself. It's time to make time for yourself. And you don't need to go out and spend so much time with other people if you're lonely. I thought that if I'm lonely, I need to be around other people. But in reality, maybe I'm just lonely because I'm not with myself. Because I can't face my own things. Can't face my own things. Can you face your own things? Are you bored with yourself? Are you boring? Are you boring? Am I boring? I don't want to be boring anymore. I need to find myself. I'm not boring. We don't need, we're social beings, so it's good to be around people. And I made a video in the past where I was talking about socializing with people and stuff. And I actually have started becoming part of groups. So I am surrounding people, getting people around me, and that's great. I know that I can go out and do more things, and I know that I won't be alone. But the question, the thought really that's coming up is, am I okay being alone by myself? And why, if not? And you know what? Let's talk about this a little bit. Those people that are around me that I think that I need to take care of, by golly, I am doing juicing and I am doing raw food and I am doing a healing diet. They have everything they need. It's right in front of them. I'm showing them how to do it every day. I can't do it for them. They have to do it. I am being the light for them. That's all I need to do. My kitty cat's meowing. Coco, trying to make a video, Coco. She wants to be held. Let me show you. Coco wants some time too. Can you tell them, Coco? You tell them I juice every day and I teach everyone how to be really healthy. So there's no excuse. See, look at the camera when you talk. There's no excuse. I don't need to take care of anyone because I'm already being the example and the light, right? This is where you meow and say yes. So this is just a video for you to reflect, to see maybe where you need that personal work. Maybe you need to connect back to self. You need to heal yourself. You can just be the light. You can create programs like I am, and you can say, here you go. Here's what you need to do to get healthy. If you want to get healthy, I have it for you. You can make videos. You can get on your Facebook and you can put positive things of what you're doing. That's all they need. They don't need you to take care of themselves. You just need to take care of yourself. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. If you have fought this battle and you have gone through the not feeling secure with yourself and you've overcome that, let me know in the comments how you have accepted yourself more. Also, remember, I have a video course on my website. I will put a link in the description below and you can get my free video course. I guess that's it for now. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.